Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by activating the car system and your phone. This is the first actionable step. On the Swift Vxi 2022, press the Home or Settings button to open Bluetooth quickly, then select Add New Device. On your phone, make Bluetooth visible and search for the car's name. When the car appears, tap it. You do this now so the devices discover each other simultaneously, which reduces timeout errors. If prompted for a PIN, use the common codes or the one shown on the car display. Once both devices detect each other, confirm the pairing request and verify the numeric code. This ensures you aren't connecting to a different device by accident. Grant permissions for contacts and media so calls, phone book, and music route through the car. Without these, calling features may be limited. After acceptance, the system will display a paired confirmation. Then play a short audio clip to verify media routing, and make a quick test call to confirm microphone and call audio are working properly. To finish, set the Swift Vxi as the primary or auto-connect device in your phone's Bluetooth settings so it reconnects automatically. If pairing fails, reboot the phone and the car's infotainment, then delete any incomplete pair entries and try again. This resolves most state conflicts. Make sure to clear old or unused paired devices from the car if you hit a device limit. Reducing clutter prevents accidental reconnections. If everything still fails, check for firmware updates on the infotainment system as a last step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.